Okay, so I just installed the Sense inside of my box, and I did a lie. I had to disclose that don't try this for yourself if you're not comfortable with it. And you had to know what you can touch and what you cannot touch. Over here, this is your hot bus bar. We got a 20 amp, 20 volt breaker, 40 amp breaker, or 40 amp. It is currently off, and just like that, I plugged it in. Neutral and the neutral bar right here, hot and hot, and then the connector right over here. It's like that. I don't know if this is right, but because those are the hot that comes into the pole, this is how I did it. And I'm about to turn on, see if this breaker is any good. Alright, listen for the tone. I see the light. It's red. Oh, I hear pairing. Ready for pairing. So I'm gonna go pair that, and that's basically a quick look of my but anyway, I'll see you guys on the next time. Peace out.